So today we are going to do this sunset look. So as usual we are going to first moisturize our face and put this face oil, and now conceal our eyelids for eye makeup. And then this compact powder to set our concealer. Now we are going to use this Swiss Beauty HD palette and put the color on our crease for this sunset look. Yeah, so here we have taken this light orange shade, sort of orange, and then this yellowish. So first we are going to just place the eyeshadow just like this, and then we are going to blend it. Just like this. Yeah. Pagal ko. And do the same with the same colors on our lower lash line. Now we are going to use this white kajal on our waterline. And then we are going to use the one mascara. I just love this mascara. Now we are done with the eye makeup. Now for the eyebrows. Just going with this eyebrow pencil and then brush it off with this spoolie, and we're done with our eyebrows. Brows. I don't know how to pronounce this. Whatever. Now for face makeup, we are going to use this primer first, and then this foundation, just a little layer of foundation on our face. Then conceal our dark spots with this concealer. Also, concealer used to highlight our main areas. Now this face powder to set our makeup, in the sense set our foundation. Now this 8 Kit contouring palette, and we are going to contour our face to give it a nice shape. Contour. And then this blush, I don't know where that blush, and this highlighter. I just love putting highlighter on my face. Yeah, done. And now this lipstick. Dust off the excess powder. Now we are putting bindis on our inner corner to give it a really nice look. And you know what? It's the game changer. Now we are setting our makeup with this setting spray, and we are done with our makeup.